There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango RT in granite clear coat. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 476418.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.